Waterfalls aren't just beautiful, they're nature's power in action. Some waterfalls drop so hard they can carve entire valleys over time. The tallest waterfall in the world, Angel Falls in Venezuela, towering at 3,212 feet, that's taller than the Burj Khalifa. And did you know, some waterfalls can freeze completely in winter, turning into massive ice sculptures? Here's a wild fact. Underwater waterfalls exist. In places like Mauritius, ocean currents push heavier cold water down slopes, creating a waterfall effect beneath the sea. Nature is full of surprises. Follow for more amazing facts about the world around us.